PHP means Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a special language used on web servers to create websites and web apps. You can make both simple, unchanging websites, called static, and websites that change based on what users do, called dynamic. What is the difference between HTML and PHP? You might wonder why we need PHP if we already have HTML. The main difference is that HTML is used to create fixed web pages that stay the same for everyone. But PHP lets the coder make parts of our web page change depending on what the user does. PHP can also take information from users, work with it, and show the results they want. So, PHP makes web pages more interactive and flexible compared to plain HTML. Things you need to learn PHP. Learning a new programming language can feel hard at first. Many people don't know where to begin and stop before they even try. But learning PHP isn't as hard as it looks. One big reason PHP is popular is because it has really good instructions and guides. You can start learning just by reading these guides, and you don't need to have special skills before you begin. Why do we need PHP? You might be wondering why we need PHP for web programming when we already have other languages like HTML. Here are some good reasons why PHP is useful. Free and open source. Anyone can use PHP without paying. Easy to learn. It is easier to learn than some other languages like JSP or ASP. Supported everywhere. Most web hosting services already support PHP. Server-side language. PHP runs on the web server, so users don't need to install anything on their computers. Works well with databases. PHP works closely with MySQL, a popular database. Cross-platform. You can use PHP on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Where do we use PHP? PHP is mainly used in three ways. 1. Server-side scripting. This is the most common use. You need a PHP program, a web server, and a web browser. The server runs PHP and sends the results to your browser. This lets websites show pages that change based on what the user does. 2. Command line scripting. PHP can run scripts without a web browser or server. You just need the PHP software. This is useful for running tasks automatically, like schedule jobs on Linux or Windows. 3. Writing desktop applications. Although PHP is not the best for desktop apps, you can still use some advanced features and tools like PHP GTK to create programs that run on your computer. PHP operators. Operators help you do math and other actions with variables. Some types of operators in PHP are arithmetic operators, for math like adding, plus, subtracting, dash, multiplying, and dividing, slash. Assignment operators, to give values to variables, like equals, plus equals, equals. Comparison operators, to compare values, like equals equals. Logical operators, for making decisions, like and, or, vertical bar, not. Array operators, to work with arrays, like combining or comparing arrays. Conclusion. PHP is a powerful language for creating dynamic websites and apps. With guidance from ICertGlobal, you can build strong skills and create amazing web projects using PHP.